Here in the Test Kitchen, we're always looking for new ideas to help you add excitement to your meals. Well, with June being National Dairy Month, there's no better time than right now to check out what the Dairy Case has to offer. In fact, the next time you go shopping, do yourself a favor and spend a few extra minutes to see what inspires you. We've picked up a variety of traditional and Greek yogurts and tried them in all sorts of dishes. They can add a creamy, exotic taste to almost anything. Plus, they're good for us. When it comes to milk options, there's everything from fat-free and lactose-free ones to all the nut and soy varieties. That means there's something for everyone. If you've never added chip dip, sour cream, or cottage cheese to your recipes, then it's time to give it a try. So in celebration of National Dairy Month, we've created a casserole that highlights many of these flavors. The filling features cream cheese, mascarpone cheese, and Parmesan cheese with a few spices. We layer that with a saucy meat mixture and finish it with refrigerated French bread dough and some shredded mozzarella. Once it's baked, get ready to dig into lots of creamy, meaty goodness. To get the recipe for what we call our all-in-one Italian bake, simply visit our website. And don't forget to check out your Dairy Case for inspiration. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a dairy-licious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.